This crossbody bag has so many features and pockets. Let's just jump into it. Right away, you'll see we've got several snaps to go ahead and secure this either on the side. We've got one here, and one up top. We've got a pocket right up front, and when you pull that zipper, all the zippers are like this. They have a little lanyard here, so it's real easy to grip, especially if you have gloves on. Maybe you're using this during the winter. We've got a large pocket up front. On the back side, we've got a hidden compartment. Open that up, put some more things into it. Also on the back, you can see it's kind of perforated, so if it's on your back, it's going to kind of breathe as it's against your skin, and it's got a little bit of thickness to it. It's a little bit of cushion. Also, we have 2 D-rings, one on each side. Really depends on how you're going to be carrying this crossbody, either on your left or your right side. We've got a large pocket up top too. A couple of zippers, nice steel zippers with the little lanyards on them. And look at this, multiple pockets. Right here, we've got a pocket. RFID shield. You could put in credit cards in here, and that way it's going to keep that radio frequency ID protected. It's got a special lining in there. Also, we've got another pocket right in here. You can slip anything you need to in there. I mean, that's a really good size too. And just the inside of it, very large. I can even put my iPad in here when I want to take it around. And it is a full-size iPad. It's right around 10-11 inches. It fits in here just fine. On this side, some more pockets. You can go ahead and hook your keys on there so that way they don't get lost and they're easily found. Large pocket there. We've got 2 mesh right here, 2 pockets, 2 mesh pockets. One here and one there. On the strap up here, you can actually put your phone in here if you want to. This is all Velcro. We've got a large pocket there. And then we've got zipper with another lanyard, easy to grab. Zip that open, and you got another large space. Of course, all these straps here, they are adjustable, so you can adjust it to the length of your body. Super easy to use. I love the black with the zipper along here. And we're almost through with the pockets. We've got one here on the side, on the left side, mirror image. We've got another one on this side also. I can easily wear this across my side and going across my back if you want to. And of course, you can wear it across the front too. This is great for men or women. This is great if you're going to go hiking, shopping. Maybe you don't have a whole lot of things to carry. And this is just the perfect size because you don't need a full-size backpack. Hope you found this review helpful.